When life throws you a curveball, like your child facing pregnancy, crisis, or scandal, it's easy to feel like you failed as a parent. But remember, this moment does not define you or your child. Every family faces unexpected challenges, and how you respond can make all the difference. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, anxious, or even ashamed, but these feelings are part of the process. The important thing is to focus on what you can do now to support your child and help your family move forward together. Step 1. Stay calm and listen. Take a deep breath. Let your child express her feelings, fears, and hopes without judgment. For example, Linda learned her daughter was pregnant at 16. She listened first, which helped her daughter feel supported. Listening is more than just hearing words. It's about being present, showing empathy, and letting your child know that her voice matters. Even if you're shocked or upset, try to hold back immediate reactions. Give your child space to share her story and ask gentle questions to understand her perspective. Sometimes, just knowing you're there to listen can be the greatest comfort. Step 2. Offer unconditional love. Reassure your child that your love is unwavering. Mistakes do not define her worth. Like Mark, who told his son, "No matter what, I'm here for you." That gave his son the courage to face the situation. Unconditional love means standing by your child, even when things are tough. It's about separating the person from the problem and making sure your child knows she is valued and accepted. This foundation of love can help your child feel safe enough to be honest and open with you, which is essential for healing and growth. Step 3. Seek guidance together. Encourage open communication and reach out to trusted family, counselors, or faith leaders. One family joined a support group, which helped them cope and find solutions. Sometimes outside perspectives can offer new ideas or simply provide a listening ear. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Many parents have walked this path before you. Professional counselors can help you and your child process emotions, while support groups can connect you with others who understand what you're going through. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Step 4. Involve the other parent. Arrange a meeting with the family of the person involved and discuss shared responsibilities. In one real-life case, two families collaborated to support both teenagers, ensuring neither felt alone. Open communication between families can help clarify expectations, share resources, and create a united front for the young people involved. It's important to approach these conversations with respect and a willingness to work together, even if emotions are running high. By focusing on the well-being of both children, families can find common ground and build a stronger support system. Step 5. Focus on solutions. Work together to plan for the future: healthcare, education, and emotional support. A young couple received guidance from both families, helping them continue their education while preparing for parenthood. Make a list of immediate needs and long-term goals. This might include scheduling doctor's appointments, exploring educational options, or finding childcare resources. Involve your child in the decision-making process so she feels empowered and responsible. Remember, every step forward is progress, no matter how small. Step 6. Address social pressure. Remind yourself and your child that society's opinions do not determine your family's value. One mother faced criticism from neighbors but chose to focus on her daughter's well-being instead. It's easy to get caught up in what others think, but your priority is your child's health and happiness. Encourage your child to ignore negative comments and focus on the support she has at home. If needed, limit contact with people who are unsupportive or judgmental. Protecting your family's emotional well-being is just as important as addressing practical concerns. Step 7. Encourage responsibility. Guide your child in making responsible choices: prenatal care, education, and building a support network. Help her understand the importance of attending medical appointments, staying in school, and reaching out to trusted adults for help. Teach her how to set goals and make plans for the future. Responsibility doesn't mean doing everything alone. It means knowing when to ask for help and taking steps to care for herself and her child. Celebrate her efforts and progress along the way. Step 8. Practice self-care. Take time to process your emotions and seek support if needed. You're not alone. Many parents have faced similar challenges and emerged stronger. Caring for yourself allows you to be a better support for your child. This might mean talking to a friend, joining a parent support group, or simply taking a walk to clear your mind. Remember, it's okay to feel sad, angry, or confused. Give yourself permission to feel and reach out for help when you need it. Step 9. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge progress, no matter how small. One family celebrated when their daughter completed her first prenatal checkup, reinforcing positivity. Look for moments of joy and accomplishment, even in difficult times. These small victories can help build confidence and remind your child and yourself that you're moving forward. Celebrate together as a family and use these moments to strengthen your bond. Step 10. Keep hope alive. Remind your child and yourself that difficult moments can lead to growth and deeper family bonds. Many families have overcome adversity together. Share stories of resilience and hope, and talk about the future with optimism. Let your child know that setbacks are a part of life, but they don't define the journey. With love, patience, and support, your family can emerge from this experience stronger and more connected than ever. No matter what society says, do not let pressure pull you down. With resilience and compassion, you and your child can navigate this tough moment and emerge stronger together. Remember, every family's journey is unique, and there is no single right way to handle a crisis. Trust yourself, lean on your support network, and take things one day at a time. In the end, it's the love and support you give your child that will matter most.